Puppies! Good morning, guys. So I decided this week that I kind of missed vlogging, and I thought what better way to jump back into it than with a weekend in my life video. So we were just waking up here, making coffee. We slept in a little later than we were supposed to. But yeah, it's Saturday. We're gonna go to the library today for brunch. And we're gonna bring Nashi with us. He's super excited. Oh, if you've been following along on Instagram, then Nash, no. Then you know that we have been struggling a little bit with taking him to public places, because when he sees a dog out, he goes like insane to like get their attention and have them come over to play. Well, we're gonna bring him out to brunch today. We're gonna try to walk him beforehand to like tire him out a little bit and see if that helps out. And yeah, I guess we'll just see how it goes. Do you like vlogging? You like vlogging? I'm gonna be a vlog dog. Boop. Go. Which one's mine? That one.
This one.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
Nashi, do you want to go to brunch? Do you want to go to brunch? Yeah! Go get it. Oh, you want to go to brunch? Oh.
I think I'm in trouble.
This has mysteriously appeared on top of our fridge this morning.
Looks pretty cool though, doesn't it? a little St. Louis Cardinals for you.
I didn't even see it when I walked out though. Like I walked out, I just like was like zoned in on taking him outside, and then I came in to get the treat and I was like, what the heck is this?
Hey Papa, do you want to go for brunch? Do you want to go to the brunch? Do you want to go to the brunch?
The brunch.
I guess not.
Nashi, do you want to go to brunch? Do you want to go to brunch? Do you? Ooh. Nashi, are you so excited?
Yes.
I feel like our vlog is just gonna be Nash.
You driving, Nashi? You gonna drive?
Okay. He's our DD today. Nashi DD. Give me Papa.
Doesn't get a doggy.
Yeah, it doesn't get a doggy. It was cute. Alright, we're on our way to St. Pete to go have brunch at the library. Super excited. I told you guys before, we've actually been there before when it was the Peabody. So they like renamed, rebranded. Nashi, it's a dead cat. He's like obsessed with the muffler for sound on here. I don't know what I'm gonna get. Last time when we went, I actually had the lox and bagel, which is like salmon and capers. It was so good, but really involved. Like you really have to put the whole thing together. So not sure if I'm in the mood for that today with Nashi and vlogging and all that. So maybe I'll try something different. What are you gonna get?
Well, last time I got the club sandwich. It was amazing. So I might get that again. I'm not sure.
It's good food.
Nashi, we're here. We're in the garage. What's Mom doing?
Rolling.
You rolling?
Lit rolling. Calm mom life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gotta make them pretty.
Gotta be pretty for pictures.
Elevator or stairs?
Stairs. I want to see Nashi do the stairs.
Alright, let's try it out. Come on, let's go. Oh,
yay! Good boy.
Good boy, Nash.
Get that cardio in. We made our way to St. Pete, and we are gonna walk Nashi a little bit to tire him out before we go to brunch. So we got a few minutes to do that, and hopefully that helps with him and his craziness. It didn't look like there were any dogs on the patio, so we might be like in the clear for today. So as long as nobody shows up in the next like hour and a half, we might be fine.
you get?
So, I remember last time I came here I got the lox and bagel, and this time I got the sweet potato pancakes, and they are amazing.
What's on it?
So we got some apple compote, we got some sweet cream, pecans? Wait. Yep.
What's the menu say?
Pecans. Maple syrup, and it is so good. Like sometimes you just need like a sweet breakfast, you know? Like that's like where I really indulge is like breakfast. So.
Your best meal.
So good. Well, brunch. What is this, brunch?
This is brunch.
Nashi did so freaking good. I'm so shocked right now. I mean, granted, there were no dogs at the library while we were there, but he did amazing. He didn't bark at people. He did bark at a kid.
One kid. He likes to bark at kids, apparently.
Yeah, apparently that's new. But he did amazing. And we haven't actually like brought him out to eat at places. Like this is like the first time we've really brought him somewhere and like sat down and like had a meal because oh no, it's a video.
No, thank you.
We're okay, thank you. Okay. Thank you so much. Hours. We fell asleep after dog bar and brunch because we had just too much fun, and I just want to check in. We are going out to Clearwater Beach tonight. Touch Ben.
Hello.
We are going out to Clearwater Beach tonight to celebrate a friend's birthday. So outfit of the day right here. Well, outfit of the night I guess. So we will see you guys tomorrow.
Hopefully it was good yesterday.
I know. So we've basically been in St. Pete like all weekend, actually. And like that's rare for us. We don't really come down to St. Pete as much anymore. Like just not for any reason. It's really fun down here, but yeah, it is far from where we live in Clearwater. And yeah, we've literally been in St. Pete 2 days in a row for brunch. So, I don't know.
And dog bar.
And dog bar. People call me for brunch. I'm gonna say yes. I love brunch.
Somebody's here.
Oh my god. Okay. Maybe we should go inside.
Maybe she works here.
Probably does. She looks like she works here.
She owns the place.
Yeah.
She waltzes right in. She's probably your contact.
Probably my contact. We should probably go inside.
There's somebody.
Let's go inside.
Looks like one of your people.
Oh, one of my people?
Yeah, your people. Oh man, it's a gaggle of people.
A gaggle. Have you guys heard of a gaggle? Our friend Kayla taught us that word. That's a fun word to say.
Keep saying gaggle. I see cameras.
Oh my gosh, definitely my people. All right, we gotta go inside. Let's go. I need a food now.
Found some friends.
Did you find your flock?
My flock. They're hiding back there.
Woohoo! We just got back from No Vacancy. Brunch was awesome. I got an avocado toast. What'd you get?
A pork sandwich.
Oh my god, tequila.
I forgot what I got.
Oh god, yeah, it was a great Sunday fun day. We are parking ourselves on the couch. Now she's already here too. We're gonna watch some Blacklist and just kind of chill out. Your girl got like 5 hours of sleep last night, so I am literally like in a brunch coma right now. Like exhausted. We're going out with my sister and her boyfriend later for a little more Sunday fun day action. So I will be relaxing until that point. So till next time. Or well, till later.
Just a second. Michael? It's Jan on the phone.
It's Jan. Hi. Oh my god. Hi. Are you vlogging? Yeah.
Wow, hey vlog!
So we just got back from the Fenway Hotel's rooftop bar, and it was so fun. We went with my sister and her boyfriend. Now we're home with Nashi. And we're gonna get ready to go to dinner at my mom's house with my grandparents are gonna go, my mom, my stepdad, my brother. So should be fun. We're having chicken and Alfredo pasta. Should be really good. So basically Olive Garden at my mom's house. I couldn't find where the door handle was. I thought that was the handle. Whoa. What the heck? Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
How you doing? Well, it's good to see you. Look who's here.
Drew.
It's my vlogging camera. Hi.
She's taking everything in.
Hi, hello. How are you?
Old babies, number one.
Whoever
Is that for your YouTube? Yeah. Hi, Baba. Hi, Baba. I know. Yeah. Hi.
Like the camera.
Weirdo. She's so cute. Alright guys, I'm gonna close this out. This was our first like weekend in my life vlog, and I kind of loved doing it. It was a ton of fun to kind of just like recap the weekend with you guys. But yeah, subscribe, like, follow, all that good stuff if you enjoyed this vlog, and hopefully there will be more to come. Bye guys.